My little children, again this morning I have gathered you together under my wing, that I might shield you from the powers of darkness, and speak to you by my prophet concerning the things that are coming to pass upon this earth, that you will not be caught unprepared, my children, because I have raised up my standards in these last days. I have called forth a man to carry my message around the world to let the people know that I am God, that I still control this entire universe, that man's knowledge and man's wisdom, which is of the flesh, will come to naught. But as my word has stood, my word will continue to stand. So look to me this morning, my children, that I might witness to you through my prophet this morning, that your understanding be truthful, put aside from you all thoughts of thoughts that might be of the natural or of the flesh, and look to me. Offer to me a clean vessel this morning, my children, and I will come down. I will fill you with my fullness as I have promised you that I would come. So open to me your heart's door this morning, children, and I will speak to you. I will encourage you. I will give you boldness. And you, my children, that have come out here this morning with your bodies weak, with your minds disturbed, and with your spirits troubled, this is the time of your visitation. So turn not aside to vain dangling, to earthly things, and to carnal thoughts that come before me. My children, this morning, expecting great things to come to pass. And you have my promise, my children, this morning, that I will not fail you, but I will be in your midst. Thus saith my Spirit.